Beautiful large one bedroom in Forest Hill, this entrance. There's two closets on the entrance. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. This is the bedroom. A large bedroom can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. You have two windows. A closet here. It's a dining area for the kitchen, a foyer. Beautiful kitchen, all stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Comes with a dishwasher, microwave, windows in the kitchen. Put a table here. Linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. Beautiful tiles. Beautiful apartment near Banks Restaurant, grocery shops, very close to the train station. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.